iQOO is gearing up to launch its next flagship, the iQOO 15, this October in China, and thanks to Tipster digital chat station, we now have a much clearer picture about the upcoming iQOO 15. Let's start with performance. The iQOO 15 will be powered by Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, codenamed SM8850, previously known as the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This chip is expected to deliver a huge boost in both CPU and GPU performance, making it one of the fastest Android processors on the market this year. On the display front, iQOO 15 is going big. We're talking about a 6.8-inch Samsung AMOLED panel with 2K resolution. This means sharper visuals, richer colors, and smoother gaming, making the phone ideal for performance-focused users and mobile gamers. Now, here comes the showstopper, the battery. Leaks suggest that the iQOO 15 will pack a massive 7,000 mAh battery. To put that into perspective, that's significantly larger than what we see on most flagship phones today. And despite this giant capacity, iQOO isn't compromising on charging speed. The phone is tipped to support wireless charging as well as 100 watts wired charging, which is rare for a battery this size. Moving on to storage and RAM, the top configuration could feature 16 GB of RAM and a full 1 TB of internal storage. This makes the device perfect for users who want console-like gaming performance and plenty of space for apps, media, and files. When it comes to cameras, the leaks point to a 50-megapixel triple camera setup. The primary lens is expected to use a large 1x1.5-inch sensor for improved low-light performance. There's also mention of a periscope telephoto camera for zoom photography, and of course, an ultra-wide-angle lens to complete the trio. But iQOO isn't just focusing on raw specs. Reports also mention an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for faster and more reliable unlocking, dual stereo speakers, a large haptic vibration motor for immersive feedback, and even iQOO's very own in-house gaming chip, to push performance even further. Now, let's talk about what's next in the iQOO 15 lineup. While the standard iQOO 15 is coming this October, iQOO is also working on two more exciting devices. The iQOO 15 Mini and the iQOO 15 Ultra are expected to debut in Q2 2026. So to sum it up, the iQOO 15 series is looking incredibly ambitious. With a huge battery, cutting-edge processor, fast charging, powerful cameras, and gaming-focused features, iQOO is clearly aiming to dominate both the flagship and gaming phone market. What do you think? Are you satisfied with iQOO 15 or you think it's still lacking some features? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.